If you work with Power BI, data analytics or business intelligence, this video is important for you. In this video, we will clearly understand what MCP server is, how it works internationally and why Microsoft Power BI MCP server matters for BI analysts and developers and data engineers. MCP server is the technology that will decide how AI securely access your enterprise data. Understanding MCP today means you stay relevant in the AI-driven BI world tomorrow. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol Server. It is not a tools or plugins. It is a standard protocol that defines how AI models communicate with real systems like Power BI database and APIs. MCP server act as a secure middle layer between AI and enterprise data. Earlier, AI tools directly call APIs or plugins. This caused security risks, poor governance, and incorrect data interpretation. MCP solved this by exposing context, meaning, and permission, not raw data. How MCP server works? Simple flow. First, the AI connects to the MCP server. The MCP server shares a list of available tools and capabilities. The AI understands what actions are allowed. The AI sends a structured request. Then MCP server validates permissions. Then the backend system executes the request. Then the result is returned in a clean, structured format. The AI then generates insight based on trusted data. Power BI MCP server excellent. The Power BI MCP server is Microsoft's official implementation. It connects AI directly to the Power BI schematic models. AI work with measure KPIs and business logic. Row-level security and tenant policies remains enforced. This makes AI insight reliable and enterprise safe. Why this is a big change for BI professionals? You no longer fight with manual DAX exploration. Your schematic models becomes more valuable. AI becomes an assistant, not a risk. BI shift from dashboard building to insight validation. MCP will become the foundation of AI native analytics. Every major BI and data platform will adopt these models, and analysts who understand MCP will lead the next BI era.